Hi, this is Brandy with Alpha Rain, the metal roofing company. Beautiful view here on one of the jobs we're doing just south of Culpeper, Virginia. And you can see here we're actually installing a forever metal shingle. This is a beautiful, completely interlocked shingle. Goes on pretty quick, and I'll tell you a little bit about it while I walk around the other side of the house. It's like any other shingle. It does need to have a 412 pitch. It has a really high wind rating. We think the testing will produce about 150 mile an hour wind rating. And it comes in the beautiful standard colors. This one is matte black. As I walk you around here, we'll have a little ambient noise from the compressor. But you can see that because of the front porch is a little shallower, we're going to do standing seam metal there and then transition up to the metal shingle. And you see how Walter's got that all cut in. This particular job is a vented roof, so along the lower part we cut a slice in, say about 2 feet up, put a mesh down, and that's where the air comes in at the bottom of the attic. And then obviously it comes out at the top, reducing the attic air temperature. So thanks for listening. We'll show you this when it's completed.